This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, October the 22nd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the Pacific Northwest into the Rockies and Plains states with a frontal system in that area. A weak disturbance moving through the state at this time. Otherwise, high pressure over the southeast, keeping the skies clear. Watch morning map from around midnight. Frost and freeze advisories over a number of states in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, including almost all of Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, almost all of Ohio, and a lot of states. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows that the heaviest amounts of rain will be over South Florida and in the Great Lakes states, where upwards of an inch is possible. Across the state of Iowa, between about a tenth and maybe a half inch of rain. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 4 p.m. today. You can see a west to northwesterly flow aloft with a ridge developing over the desert southwest and southern California. At the surface, high pressure over the Tennessee Valley. Keeping the skies mostly sunny across the state, but some increasing cloudiness with a disturbance that will be moving through late Saturday night into Sunday. As we head into Sunday, a little bit of a disturbance with a low north of here. Could spark a shower mainly north of Highway 20. Otherwise, it will remain partly to mostly sunny with highs in the 60s to near 70. Monday, that disturbance moves off to the east. Temperatures remain in the 60s to lower 70s under partly to mostly sunny skies with light southwesterly winds. Tuesday, here comes a more significant system, low pressure over about Kansas City or St. Joseph. Moisture will be coming in, some showers, maybe even some claps of thunder possible. By Wednesday, that storm is now to the east. A new storm is developing over the Rockies, though, that could bring heavy snow in that area. Whereas here we'll see at least some clouds and highs dropping back into the 50s. Thursday, that storm really gets its act together down in the southern plains. But here we'll still see a few clouds, mainly over the south, with highs in the 50s, maybe some upper 40s possible. Friday, the storm really starts to get its act together over the Tennessee and lower Ohio valleys, whereas here we're still stuck on the cold side with highs in the 40s to lower 50s. A week from today, on the 29th, you can see a big vortex over the mid-Atlantic states with a trough there, whereas the rest of the country is under a pretty zonal flow. The surface, a big storm. That looks to be a nor'easter with heavy rain, maybe mountain snow, and thunderstorms, and about everything in the kitchen sink over the East Coast. We head further into Voodoo, November the 2nd. Main storm track looks to be just north of here with a southern branch moving through the desert southwest, southern plains, and into the southeast. The surface, there could be a few showers there, and some over the Pacific Northwest, whereas here, temperatures look to be a little, maybe above seasonal averages, maybe some 60s at that time. And at the end of the forecast, November the 6th, trough over the eastern coast with a bit of a zonal flow over the northern part of the country. And at the surface, we see a few showers over the Pacific Northwest and some shower activity off the eastern seaboard. Now it's time for the weekend football forecast. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.